Executive Director ng Canned Sardines Association of the Philippines. Nasa linya ho natin, Sir Francisco Buencamino. Magandang umaga, buenos dias. Ginoong Buencamino, welcome po. Double Wang si Double B.
Magandang umaga po.
Thank you for calling. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Salamat.
Good morning to you.
Mangungumusta lang kami sa inyong industriya na gumagawa po, nagpo-produce ng sardinas dahil ito ay paborito ng maraming Pinoy, lalo na ordinaryong mamamayan.
Tayo
Kumusta po ang epekto sa inyong industriya ng sobrang pagtaas ng presyo ng diesel at ng iba pang produktong petrolyo?
Well, I don't know, masyadong malalim yung question nyo. I'll try to answer it as briefly as I can.
Please.
Unang-una, kaya mataas ang presyo ng sardinas is number one, kailangan mo ng fuel, yung diesel fuel or crudo para hulihin yung isda. Hindi ba? So fishing vessels are the ones that are catching that. And if they're paying so much more now for their fuel, natural ang isda mahal ang magiging. Oo, no? So that's the, we have seen about 3 times more than what it was before the war. And ang malaking problema ng sardinas doon is we've been asking for price adjustments. Since before the Ukraine war. So you're talking of 3 or 4 years. No? Nakapako ang SRP ng sardinas. SRP lang naman ang pinag-uusapan. So the only way that we have been able to survive this is because we are still selling other canned fish products.
Pero ang sabi po ng DTI, ang mga basic commodities, kasama dyan ang sardinas, tsaka mga prime commodities, hindi muna magtataas hanggang May 10.
Pumayag daw.
Pumayag daw po kayo doon.
Hindi sa pumayag, yan ay utos. Bali ba naman?
Alam ka naman, hindi ka susunod.
Siyempre, we try to cooperate with the government and it's trying its best to hold back prices. We understand that. And if we can hold back, we will obey. We will obey. But it is hurting. It is hurting us very much. And ang maganda lang na kaliwalagan dito is in the last few days, ang DTI has asked us to put together our request for what the price adjustment should be. In other words, kung pinag-aaralan na nila, unlike before April, walang pinag-aaralan, basta huwag kayong magtaas. Ngayon naman pinag-aaralan na, and we're very grateful for that. And we will try to cooperate with them as best as we can.
So ibig sabihin, after May 10, pwede na kayo magtaas, Sir Buencamino?
If they're studying this now, I hope that the responses will come even before May 10 para kung makakapag-adjust kami. 4 na taon kami nakapako ang SRP ng sardinas. 4 years. That's not easy to survive, di ba?
Yes.
Ngayon, mahina ang huli ng isda. Bakit? Dahil sa ang klima is not cooperating with us. Mainit o malamig, nawawala yung isda sa tubig. Nagaanap yan ng kanilang comfort zones. No? Yan ang problema.
Sir, yung sabi nyo 4 years na, ano ba yung adjustment na hinihingi ninyo? Magkano ngayon? At saka yung SRP na sinusunod nyo, magkano ho?
Ang 1750 nung araw yung, I'm talking of an average, no? Not on a specific branch, brand. But 4 years ago, we asked for 3 pesos.
Okay.
And we're still asking for that and we're waiting.
So hindi nyo na itataas yun ngayon? 3 pesos pa rin?
And as best as we can, kasi naman ang fuel naman was from 55, 56 to 100.
140 pa nga. Depende sa lugar.
Kaya nga. So nakikita ninyo na malaking portion ng canned fish, yung isda, ang cost, ang value. Pagkatapos humina pa ang peso compared to the dollar. So yung tin can, tumaas na rin ang presyo. Ang lata.
So kung kayo masusunod, magkano hihingin yung taas presyo?
we are now, kasi last 2 days pa lang ang nakakaraan na from the time that DTI asked us mag-submit ng presyo. So our people, because nagdaan ng Holy Week, maraming hindi pa nakakabalik or they have not adjusted. They are now working on frantically working on the price that we will be submitting as an adjustment. So I can't commit to you now what it will be, but certainly it will be around a 3 peso
Or
3
higher.
peso adjustment.
O mas
Or
mataas pa.
higher.
Or a little higher, but in percentage wise, I hope that we can target something like 10 or 12%, something like that.
Wala naman hong mandatory pricing sa sardinas na ipinatutupad, no? Kasi
So
dapat
SRP, yung
SRP.
SRP lang, suggested lang ho yan. Pwedeng hindi nyo sundin.
Hindi ganun nga eh. Kaya malaking
Parang
debate
mandatory
yan
na yung SRP, sir.
hindi na suggested, specified na yun. Parang
Mandatory.
utos na yan eh.
Ano yung pag hindi nyo
Kasi-
sinunod, may parusa ba yon? May multa?
Oo, kinukumpiskan ng DTI from the shelves.
Ganun,
From the
tinatanggal
shelves
kayo
ng
doon.
supermarket.
So dapat
malaki
baguhin yun, hindi na dapat yun mandatory price, hindi SRP.
Yeah, but wala sa batas yun ang SRP.
Exactly.
Oo.
Nami-mention sa Price Act yung SRP, but
Opo.
as a suggestion, not as a mandate.
Opo.
But DTI, during the time before this administration, ginawa nilang mandatory yun.
Oo, okay. Pero sandali, panghuli lang sa akin, bakit may mga sardinas, ang presyuhan daw ngayon, nasa 38, meron pang 28.
Hindi yan SRP.
Hindi na. Pero pwede yan.
Hindi na SRP, and this would be the premium grade.
Yun pala.
Malalaki na yung konti ang isda, mas maraming tomato paste. Yung there is quality management that we are doing. No?
Alright.
Okay.
Sir, thank you ha.
Thank
sa
you.
usaping sardinas natin.
Salamat
Usap
sa
tayo ulit.
pagpuproduce ng paborito namin
Yes.
na sardinas.
Salamat,
Thank
salamat.
you.
Lahat ng branch, susubukan ninyo isa-isa.
Thank you,
Kaya
sir.
lang, what we are trying to, let me just declare a statement here. What we are trying to prevent is that the people think there is enough, so magpapanik buying. Ay,
Yes.
mabili na tayo,
May
meron naman pala.
Sa
Kaya huwag sanang ganon, huwag
Alright.
ganon. no?
Noted po yan.
Thank you, sir. Good
Thank
morning.
You. Magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Salamat.
Thank you,
ha?
sir.
Thank you.
Executive
Bye-bye.
Director ng Canned Sardines Association of the Philippines, si Ginoong Francisco Buencamino.